Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where your screensaver is not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. In Windows 11, screensavers are not enabled by default. This setting has changed for your computers. To resolve this, first, open the Windows search bar. In the search bar, type Screensaver, and then select the option to change screensaver. Within the screensaver settings, you will likely find that it is currently set to none. Change this selection from none to another type of screensaver, such as photos or bubbles. After selecting your preferred screensaver, you can adjust the wait time, which is the duration of inactivity before the screensaver activates. Once you have made your selections, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Your screensaver should now activate after the specified wait time, for example, after 1 minute. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.